Now take a look at these channels. Some of them are only 3 months old and they've already gained over 2 million subscribers. All of them are in the Roblox niche, which is one of the most powerful gaming niches right now. These channels are already earning an insane amount of money, and here is why. Most every single video gets millions of views, and some of them go way beyond that. Today, we're going to do something completely outside the box. This is not about making the same shorts. There are already a lot of channels explaining how to do them. Instead, we're going to generate a Roblox style image from scratch. Then we will convert that image into a short, funny video for YouTube. You can do this even if you have never played Roblox before. First, let's head over to ChatGPT. I asked it to create a Roblox style prompt with funny, engaging, and eye catching scenarios. You don't need to be creative yourself. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. You can simply copy, paste, and hit enter. And just like that, ChatGPT gives me a full list of 10 viral image and video prompts. As you can see, it generates complete prompts. Once you've got the prompt, now let's head over to Whisk. This is where we are going to generate the images using the prompts we prepared in ChatGPT. I'll copy one of the prompts, paste it right here, and hit enter. Give it a few seconds. Look at these images. They look really good. If you don't like the result, no problem at all. You can slightly tweak the prompt, change the scenes, the action, or the emotion, and generate more variations until you find something that really stands out. Once you pick the image you like, we move on to the next step. This is where we turn that image into a short video. Sign up with your email and go to video generation, upload the image here, keeping simple. Next, I paste the video prompt right here and generate. We wait a few seconds and there it is. As you can see, the video looks really clean and smooth. And by the way, you can generate as many videos as you want. That's how people scout this.
Bro, seriously?
Now for the final step. If you're happy with the video as it is, you can create a new YouTube channel, optimize the basic settings, and start uploading shorts. If you want to improve it even more, you can add a title, add on screen text, or pin a comment. You can do all of that using any simple editing software. By the way, I will leave all the prompts I used in the description. And that's it. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.